Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by configuring the hotspot on the source device. Name the network, choose WPA2 or WPA3 and set a clear password. Once done, pick the band, use 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, and limit connections if you like. Then open a trusted QR generator that supports the Wi-Fi QR scheme. Enter T, WPA, S, your SSID, and P, your password exactly. Make sure there are no extra spaces, because accuracy is what lets now generate the actual QR. Paste the SSID, pick the correct security type, and enter the password precisely. This is why we validated details first. Once generated, save a high-resolution image or print it on clear paper. Good contrast and no glare matter for camera focus. Next, test by scanning with one secondary device. Confirm it attempts to connect automatically and that the internet works. If it asks to join manually, check the QR payload formatting and retry. Finally, share the QR code with users either as an image or printed card, and tell them to scan it with the camera or a QR reader app. Once scanned, devices should show the network and join automatically. Confirm by loading a web page. If connection fails, first verify the SSID and password in the QR payload and the security type. Special characters can break parsing, so remove or replace them and regenerate. A quick recreate usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.